Welcome to Data Line YouTube channel. The holiday season is the perfect time to transform your home into a festive wonderland with creative Christmas decorating hacks. Simple do-it-yourself crafts can make a big impact, adding a personal and cozy touch to your decor. For a classy holding look, start by shining fairy lights around windows, stair railings, or materials, instantly making warmth and sparkle. Handmade ornaments such as sort of shapes or paper snowflakes are easy to create and add a sentimental element to your tree. Try filling glass jars with pine cones, carry berries and mini ornaments for a quick and elegant centerpiece for a rustic vibe. Wrap mason jars with burlap and twine then add tea lights to create a soft glow. If you short space, consider a do-it-yourself wall modern Christmas tree using garlands or styling lines to form a tree shape. Don't forget the front door in a festive wreath made from pine branches and cutlets or dried flowers for a welcoming entrance. Use cinnamon sticks, orange slice, or sprigs of rosemary or natural ornament touches that also double as eco-friendly decor to keep things budget friendly. Repurpose the items around the house. For example, old sweaters can be wrapped around vases or used as pillow covers for a cozy wintry look. With these easy hacks, you can bring the magic of Christmas to every corner of your home while staying creative and cost effective. Thanks for watching. Most of all, subscribe and like and tune in to the channel.